If you're a business owner, you already know that video is pretty much king when it comes to reaching your customers. But let's be honest, you also know it can feel like a full-time job. We're talking hours and hours, sometimes even days, just to get one short video out the door. But what if I told you that you could slash that creation time by like 90%? Well, let's dive in and see how. For most of us, creating even a simple little promo video is an all-day affair. I mean, think about it for a second. You've got to write the script, find the right footage, record the audio, edit the whole thing together. The hours just vanish. And this isn't just some hypothetical, it's a real bottleneck that holds so many businesses back. And look, here's a perfect example. Meet Angel. He's a security school owner down in Nashville. This quote, it just sums up the struggle perfectly. A whole 8 to 10 hour workday for one video. That's not just a time suck. That's a massive opportunity cost for any growing business. But for Angel, that reality has totally flipped on its head. Okay, so we've talked about the 10-hour problem. It's a big one. But now, let's get to the good part, the 1-hour solution. There's a new AI-powered workflow that is, and I'm not exaggerating here, completely changing the game for entrepreneurs just like Angel. Yep, you heard that right. What used to take a full day, from 8 to 10 hours, can now get done in about an hour. In Angel's own words, this is a game changer. It's a process that lets you start a project, get it like 80% of the way there, fine-tune it, and then get it out into the world, all in the time it takes you to go grab lunch. This chart really just says it all, doesn't it? The difference is massive. So how is this even possible? Well, it all comes down to two key tools working together. First, you've got Google Vids, which is a new app specifically for building videos. And second, there's Gemini, Google's powerhouse AI, which basically acts as your built-in creative partner through the whole thing. All right, before we get into the nuts and bolts of how this works, just a quick heads up on who can actually use this right now. These AI features are currently available for folks on Workspace Business or Enterprise plans, and also for Google AI Pro subscribers. So how do you actually get started? The best part about this is that you're not starting from a scary blank page. The whole process kicks off with content that you already have. So to see how it works, let's just imagine for a minute that we're a landscaping business and we want to make a new promo video. It all starts with 4 super simple steps. First, you open up Google Vids and you choose to create a storyboard, which, by the way, is just a fancy word for an outline of your video. Then you write a prompt telling the AI what you want, you hit generate, and that's it. It's really that straightforward. And this right here brilliantly shows what a really good prompt looks like. See, you're not just asking for some generic video. You're pointing the AI to a document you already have. Maybe it's a brochure or a page from your website, and you're telling it exactly what to focus on, your key selling points. So what happens when you click that Generate button? Well, this is where the magic happens. Gemini instantly gets to work and builds you a complete first draft. We're talking a full script broken down into scenes, suggestions for stock video and images, an AI-generated voiceover, and even some background music. You go from just a simple prompt to a fully structured video in a matter of seconds. It's wild. But of course, that first draft is just your starting point. The real magic and the fun part is in the personalization, turning that AI-generated content into a video that truly feels like your brand. And the editing process is incredibly easy. You can tweak the script, you can change the voiceover, and as you can see here, you can adjust the whole visual style. Swapping out those default fonts and colors for your own brand's look is a super simple way to make the video instantly recognizable as yours. But the customization goes way deeper than that. I mean, what if you have amazing photos of your work, but no actual video footage? This is where another piece of Google's AI comes in. There are these specialized models called Veo that are built right into the app. They can take your static photos and automatically animate them, literally bringing them to life. So let's go back to being that landscaper. You could upload a photo of a beautiful garden you designed, type in a simple prompt asking the AI to animate it, and poof, it'll generate a short video clip for you. This lets you get incredible personalization without ever needing a camera crew. Okay. So you've created and personalized your video in record time. Awesome. But guess what? The AI's job isn't done yet. It can also help you with that crucial next step, getting your video seen by the right people. Publishing on a platform like YouTube requires more than just the video file. You need a really compelling title and a description that's packed with the right keywords. Well, you can just upload your finished video back into Gemini and ask it to write those for you.
It'll optimize them so that homeowners looking for landscaping will actually find your video.
And this brings us right back to Angel. Because the end result isn't just about making a video faster, it's about business impact. He saw an almost immediate jump in his web traffic because he could finally consistently create high quality ads for his company. Now, that is the real return on investment. And look, this whole process isn't just for security schools or landscapers. I mean, imagine a fitness trainer animating those before and after photos of clients, or a bakery creating this beautiful video about how they make their custom cakes. Any business that has a story to tell can use this workflow. So, the tools are here. You basically have an AI video producer just sitting there, waiting for your instructions. The only question left is, what's the first story you're going to tell about your business?